Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, our morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news from Australia, where the Citigroup analysts have warned of tough times for the Australian banks. And they've singled out ANZ Bank, which owns National Bank here, as well as ANZ, and National Australia Bank, which owns the BNZ here in New Zealand. It says that lending growth is slowing in Australia and in New Zealand, and in particular has pointed out that ANZ and National Australia Bank are relatively exposed to the New Zealand economy, which is slowing much faster than Australia. And it's warned investors to sell their shares in ANZ National and in National Australia Bank. Meanwhile, back here on this side of the Tasman, the New Zealand dollar fell below 76 US cents overnight, and that's partly because of strength in the US dollar. The US Treasury Secretary Plosser came out and said that he wanted a strong US dollar. Mind you, that's what the US authorities always say, but last night it had an effect. And also the Federal Reserve President, remember there's lots of presidents, only one chairman, Mr. Plosser, great name for a Federal Reserve President, said inflation was a problem there and US interest rates may have to be hiked. And that strengthened the US dollar. Obviously, if interest rates in the US are higher, that makes the US dollar more attractive. So in relative terms, that meant the New Zealand dollar was less attractive and it fell below 76 cents. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9 for interest.co.nz.